Hi, my name's Aaron from 3Dsellers. I want to show you how you can use Shipping Tracker to absolutely dominate automated customer support. Not only can you send automatic emails and eBay messages to buyers based on certain shipping events from your carrier, you can also send yourself and your teammates alerts for certain shipping events that you may want to stay informed about, such as shipping delays or a lost item. Not only that, you can also request feedback and cross-promote your other items with this tool. It's pretty powerful. So without further ado, let's check this out. When we first open Shipping Tracker, we can view our orders by a certain number of days, and we can use quick filter buttons to view orders with a certain tracking status. In the table, we can also take actions on our orders, such as sending the buyer a message, viewing the order, and tracking details. We can search for specific orders with the search bar, or we can use quick filters to view more in-depth tracking statuses. As well, you can create custom filters. Now here we can view how many shipping tokens we have left. Shipping tokens are used for advanced tracking. It requires one shipping token to track one order's entire shipping process. You can buy more tokens anytime, or you can set the system to automatically buy tokens when you run low. Next, we'll view messages. Here you can view your message templates that automatically send to your buyers, as well as edit them, delete them, and enable or disable them. Here you can view the sent message history, and we will create a new message. We are given a few options for templates to get us started quickly. For this example, we will create a new message. We can name the message, set the shipping event that we want to send the message for, as well as implement a delay if we so choose. You can also send a message for only certain carriers, as well as exclude certain carriers from the message. You can then choose to send the message with eBay or email. Now, in the message content is where the magic happens. We have a list of dynamic fields that will automatically insert buyer's information and order information into the message. The tracking link will take a buyer to a page that will show the carrier's tracking status, as well as cross-promote your other items. And then you can also include a feedback link. This will be a direct link to leave feedback for the item that they purchased. And now we'll go to alerts. You can enter as many emails as you wish to send alerts to for you and your team, and then select certain shipping events that you would like to stay informed about. After saving, we will send you automatic alerts every time one of these events is logged with the carrier. Shipping Tracker also includes a blacklist. Any buyer on your blacklist will not receive any messages from Shipping Tracker. You can add buyers to your blacklist manually, or we have automatic blacklist options, such as if a buyer has an open case against you, or if a buyer contacts you, or if they have an open conversation with you. This will prevent them from receiving too many messages from you while you may already be handling the case manually. As you can see, you can use Shipping Tracker to advance track your orders, stay on top of all of your shipments, as well as keep your buyers well informed and promote your items and get more feedback and keep yourself and your team aware of any issues that may arise. If you'd like to review how-to and help articles for this tool, use the help button at the top of your screen. Also, you can use our messenger bot to send us a message, search for other articles, and request features. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.